This is a 1970s zippo, brushed chrome. It was my granddad's. My grandma gave it to us. That was also my granddad's, this one. It's a Ralston gas lighter from where I used to work. This one is, I think it's a trench art lighter. It's quite an interesting thing. Put the fuel in the bottom there, that screws off. That is a gas lighter from a tool company that my dad got. This is a Spectrum zippo. It's a nice one. This is a star lighter with the Audi badge engraved on it. If you can see that very well. That's got any fuel in. This one, just a normal plain chrome zippo, nothing special. I'll have a close look at this one. Just a spot there. When it's got gas and you push that down, the flame comes out the top there. This last thing here, this isn't a lighter, it's a hand warmer, so I don't know why I've included it, but I thought it was pretty good. Can't remember where I got this. Thanks.